Chapter 3. Smart Tricks with Word 2021. Word 2021. Word provides different features to make the documents effective and attractive. It is a full-featured word processing program. Formatting make the document presentable. It can be applied to every element of the document, from a single character to entire paragraph. People use Word every day to create documents such as letters, memos, reports, fax, mailing labels, and newsletters. Features of Word 2021. Word comprises of various features such as spelling and grammar checker. We can use the spelling and grammar checker to spell check or proofread documents. The AI-powered grammar checker detects and corrects grammatical errors and spelling mistakes in the written text. Thesaurus. With Thesaurus, we can look up for synonyms, words with the same meaning, and antonyms, words with the opposite meaning for words in a document. Read aloud. Read text out loud and highlight each word as it's read. Translate. Translate content into a different language using the Microsoft Translator online service. Language. Choose the language for proofing tools such as spelling check. Autocorrect. This feature corrects common spelling errors. For example, if we type the word Adan, the word processing software automatically changes it to the correct word, and autocorrect also corrects errors in capitalization. For example, it capitalizes the names of days or months, the first letter in a sentence, etc. Autoformat. It automatically creates symbols, fractions, and ordinal numbers. For example, the fraction a half is created when we type 1/2, and the ordinal third is created when we type third. Drawing tools. It provides various tools such as select, lasso select, eraser, pen, pencil, and highlighter. Ruler. Draw lines and align objects against a straightedge. Format background. Add rule lines or grid lines to this page or change the page color. Convert ink strokes. We can make ink strokes and then convert it to shape and math. Ink to shape automatically refine hand-drawn shapes. Ink to math convert handwritten math equations into typed numbers and symbols. Drawing canvas. Insert a drawing canvas to create space to draw in. Ink replay. Automatically replay the creation of visible ink strokes. Selecting text. Selecting text is the first step before moving towards the formatting in the document. We need to select text to be able to apply formatting to that text. Let's learn to select the text. Step 1. Click and drag with the mouse. Step 2. Double-click a word to select the word. Step 3. Triple-click in a paragraph to select the paragraph. Step 4. Click and drag in the document selection area in the left margin. Font group. The font group is located on the Home tab. Every new document we create will use the preferred font style and font size. Look at the most commonly used commands in the font group. Font. Choose among various fonts. Font size. Change the size of the text. Change case. Change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalizations. Clear all formatting. Clear all formatting in the selection and return the text to its default. Bold. Bold the text. Italic. Italicize the text. Underline. Underline the text. Strike through. Cross something out by drawing a line through it. Subscript. Type very small letters just below the line of text. For example, H2O, CO2, etc. Superscript. Type very small letters just above the line of text. For example, x square, fifth, etc. Text effects and typography. Add some flair to your text by applying a text effect, such as a shadow or glue. Text highlight color. Highlight the text. Font color. Change the color of the text. Fact GPT. In Word 2021, the default font style and font size is Calibri 11. Test your knowledge. Type the following words in Word 2021. Highlight each color word below and change its text color to match its name: blue, red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, brown. Use any font you like to type these words. Adding word art. Word art provides various unique styles to decorate the text. We can add any style to our document to display a decorative title or draw attention towards important information. We can quickly and easily add visual appeal to the text using word art style. Let's learn to change text to word art. Step 1. Select the text to convert to word art. Not shown. Step 2. From the Insert tab in the text group, select word art. The word art gallery appears. Step 3. Select an option from the drop-down list. The word art appears in the selected text. Test your knowledge. Create a notice for your school bulletin board regarding Sports Day. Change the font, text size and color of the text in the notice. Step 1. Bold your signature name and increase the text size to 18. Step 2. Italicize the title and school name. Step 3. Change the text color of the date to blue. Changing text case. Word facilitates changing the text case of the document to make it look effective. Sometimes when we are working with a large document, we want to change the case of the words in a particular style. Let's learn to change the case of selected text in a document. Step 1. Select the desired text to change the case. Step 2. Go to Home tab and click on the Change Case. Step 3. Do one of the following. To capitalize the first letter of a sentence and leave all other letters as lowercase, click Sentence Case. To exclude capital letters from the text, click lowercase. To capitalize all of the letters, click uppercase. To capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letters lowercase, click Capitalize each word. To shift between two case views, for example, to shift between capitalize each word and the opposite, capitalize each word, click Toggle Case. Spelling and grammar feature. While typing, we might make spelling and grammatical mistakes. It is important to always check the documents for spelling and grammar mistakes before distribution. Fortunately, Word makes it easy. Word helps us identifying these mistakes in the document. The spelling mistakes are underlined with a red wavy line, while grammatical mistakes are underlined with a blue line. Let's learn to check the spelling and grammar errors. Step 1. From the Proofing group on the Review tab, select Spelling and Grammar. Step 2. Word 2021 will look for spelling and grammar errors starting from the location of the cursor in the document. Step 3. If Word finds a spelling error, a navigation pane similar to the one here will appear. Then we have the following options. Ignore ones. To leave the text as is in a specific instance but be notified if Word 2016 finds the same thing again, click Ignore once. Ignore all. To leave the text as is in this and future instances, click Ignore all. Adding a word to the dictionary will prevent Word 2016 from ever noting this word as being misspelled again. Step 4. If Word 2016 finds a grammar error, a dialog box similar to the one below will appear. Then we have the following options. Ignore ones. To leave the text as is in a specific instance but be notified if Word 2016 finds the same thing again, click Ignore. Don't check for this issue. To ignore the word's suggested correction. At the bottom of the pane, we will see an options for grammar error that Word has detected. Thesaurus feature. Word has an inbuilt dictionary called Thesaurus. It is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. Advantage can be taken to improve the documents. Using the thesaurus, we can find and replace synonyms and antonyms of that words. Let's learn to use thesaurus feature. Step 1. Click the word in the document that we want to look up. Step 2. On the Review tab, click Thesaurus. Step 3. To use one of the words in the list of results or to search for more words, do one of the following. To replace the selected word with one of the words from the list, point to it, click the down arrow, then click Insert. To copy and paste a word from the list, point to it, click the down arrow, then click Copy. We can then paste the word anywhere we like. To look up additional related words, click a word in the list of results. Applying bullets and numbering. A bullet is a dot or a symbol that is used wherever we want to display the text in the form of points. A bullet can be given when the order of the points does not matter, i.e., unordered. An ordered or numbered list can be used whenever we want to display the points in some sequence. Word automatically applies simple bullets and numbering to the lists in the documents as we type. Let's learn to apply bullets and numbering. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Bullets button in the paragraph group in the Home tab. Step 3. From the Bullet Library menu, choose a bullet design and the new bullet design will appear at the cursor location. Step 4. The text is bulleted and the indents are automatically adjusted to separate the text from the bullets. Applying drop cap. Drop cap feature allows us to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter that enhances the appearance of the document. Let's learn to apply drop cap to the text. Step 1. Click on the desired paragraph to display a drop cap. Step 2. Click on Insert tab. Step 3. Click on Drop Cap. Step 4. Click on Drop Cap Options. The Drop Cap dialog box appears. Step 5. Click on the desired type of drop cap to create. Step 6. This area displays the font for the drop cap. Click on the desired font for the same. Step 7. This area displays the number of lines that the drop cap will extend down from the first line of the paragraph. To change the number of lines, double-click the number in this area and then type a new number. Step 8. Click on OK to create the drop cap. The drop cap appears in our document. To deselect the drop cap, click outside it. To remove a drop cap, repeat steps 1 to 5, selecting none in step 5. Then perform step 8. Finding and replacing text. If we may want to search for a specific word or a phrase in a document, this feature will help us. Instead of reading and going through the entire document, we can make use of the Find feature of Word. Besides finding text, we can also replace the occurrence of a given word if it is frequently misspelled. Replace feature replaces the selected text or word with an alternate text. This is particularly handy in long documents. Using the Find command can search for a single character, word or a group of words. To make searching faster, we can either search an entire document or just a specific part of a document. Let's learn to use the Find command. Step 1. Click the Home tab and then click the editing icon and then click the Find command. Step 2. Click on Advanced Find. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click in the Find What text box and type a word or phrase to find. Step 4. Click one of the following buttons. Find in, searches the entire document. Find Next, searches from the current cursor location to the end of the document. Step 5. Click Find Next to search for additional occurrences of the text typed. Step 6. Click Cancel to make the Find and Replace dialog box disappear. Using the Find and Replace command, besides just finding a word or phrase, we may want to find that text and replace it with the new text. Let's learn to use the Find and Replace command. Step 1. Click the Home tab and then click the editing icon and then click the Replace command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Step 2. Click in the Find What text box and type a word or phrase to find. Step 3. Click in the Replace with text box and type a word or phrase to replace the text you typed. Step 4. Click the More button and choose any additional options. Step 5. Click one of the following buttons. Replace replaces the currently highlighted text. Replace all searches and replaces text in the entire document. Find next searches from the current cursor location to the end of the document. Step 6. Click Close to make the Find and Replace dialog box disappear. Test your knowledge. Create the following document in Word and perform the following tasks on it. The Selfish Sparrow. In a lively forest, Sunny the sparrow was admired for his beautiful feathers and melodious songs. However, he was also known for his selfishness, hoarding the best berries and seeds without sharing with others. This behavior left Sunny isolated from the forest community even as he flaunted his treasures. One stormy day, as the birds searched for shelter and food, Sunny found himself alone and frightened. He saw a group of hungry, scared birds. Realizing the consequences of his selfishness, he flew back to his stash, returned with the food, and shared it with the group. This act of kindness transformed Sunny, teaching him the value of sharing and generosity, and earning him respect among the birds. First, correct the incorrect spelling in this document using Spelling and Grammar tool. Second, replace word searched with its relevant synonyms using Thesaurus tool. Third, set the story into columns. Fourth, increase the line spacing. Fifth, set the page in landscape orientation. Page orientation. Page orientation is the way in which a rectangular page is oriented for normal viewing. The two most common types of orientation are portrait and landscape. Sometimes page orientation for a particular page has to be different from the rest of the document. Usually the whole document has the portrait orientation, but for a page with the big table, it is more convenient to use the landscape orientation. Let's learn to change the page orientation. Step 1. Select pages or paragraphs to change to portrait or landscape orientation. Step 2. On the Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Orientation. Step 3. Choose Portrait or Landscape orientation. The orientation of the whole document will get changed. Fact GPT. We should keep saving changes in the file by selecting Save option from the File tab or by pressing Ctrl+S on the keyboard. File created in Word is saved with the file extension .docs. Recapitulate. Word is a full-featured word processing program. Word comprises of various features such as spelling and grammar checker, thesaurus, read aloud, translate, language autocorrect, autoformat, and drawing tools. A subscript or superscript is a character that is set slightly below or above the normal line of type, respectively. We need to select text to be able to apply formatting to that text. We can quickly and easily add visual appeal to word text using WordArt. Drop cap feature allows us to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter that enhances the appearance of the document. Orientation refers to the direction in which the page is printed. Gloss GPT, Thesaurus, inbuilt dictionary of word. Unordered, when the order of the list does not matter. Ordered, display the points in a sequence.